was about doing it for the gram. Emily said it's called Insta. Is that true?
Why don't you go up for nostril and find out?
You do it for Insta. I thought it was the gram.
Determined to be the world's tallest freestanding stone structure.
Washington D.C.
Normally, one
That's the Jefferson Memorial.
They know it before. Normally, one bay is open. We're going to see all 4 sides, but you just got the open side. So this is the least sexy side. You got the Jefferson Memorial is prominent. The tidal basin between us and the Jefferson Memorial. You can see the Pentagon across the river. You look to the right.
You need to show her because she doesn't know it.
Who's her?
Olivia. We tried to show her the Pentagon before.
You see the green by the rivers? Go across the river, and you can see it over there.
Tom, you're in our blog.
I'm in the block.
What do you think?
At the top of the Washington Monument.
What do you think of the Tollefson crew? Do you like them?
I do like him. One of my favorite customers.
What do you think? What do you think of the dad?
Okay. The ladies are really special and really bright, and I'm happy to share their company today.
What do you think of their father?
Again, he's okay.
He really enjoyed the toilets, though.
At Mount Vernon, he was most intrigued by the
I just want
necessaries.
to know where George Washington had to go poo. I mean, who doesn't want to know those things?
And I brought him to the spot.
He did.
Yeah.
He brought me to the spot. Yeah.
The Spy Museum is an attraction that's fairly new, very 21st century. Perhaps on a future visit.
I think we might have to come back. I didn't see everything. We didn't see the Capitol.
Yeah, there's no.
I didn't see Melania. Or didn't see her.
Sure. And only.
Why do you want to see her?
What?
Why do you want to see her?
I just wanted to say hi to her.
Hi to who?
Melania Trump. She just looks like a really nice person.
What's all this?
On Mother's Day, I'm gonna get busted. For Mother's Day. I took her to the Washington Monument for Mother's Day.
I don't know what
Score again for Dad.
You mean the grass? Yeah. That's the national mall from here to the Capitol.
Speaking of scoring, she doesn't use currency. She just uses her dad's credit card.
Uses plastic. I can see people.
We went there last night. Remember, that's where all the prom. That's where we were. That's amazing. How cool is that? That's where Marine One lands to pick up the president. The Christmas trees up in that oval. There used to be baseball fields in that oval there. See? Not lying.
You see it, it's there. The
Yeah,
brown
that
stone.
way. Yeah.
And just to show what I've learned, that Constitution Avenue right below us used to be a canal from the Potomac. See the things I learned.
Buildings for the National Gallery of Art. Those are all on our left. The right, closest to the Capitol, you see a brown building made out of Minnesota limestone.
Limestone?
By the way, that's the
Okay.
American Indian Museum. Then near to us is the Air and Space. Then the obelisk where it starts to point. That's where you are. These are aircraft warning lights. There's 2 red blinking lights on each side that you would see at night, just above the observation window.
I see it blinking red. I see it blinking red.
That section there across the river. So, question.
But it had to be a deep concentrate all the way.
Yeah.
So fit into space.
Yeah.
That deep down.
Oh, I don't mind walking the whole thing.
No, you're not allowed to.
Carol, tell us.
You're not allowed to walk the whole thing, man.
No.
Why? What'd you say about my mama?
Acting like you're really.
Why am I acting like my mother?
We're not walking down the whole thing?
Why you gotta make fun of Grandma Carol? She's a sweet woman. She's very manipulative too.
By the heat of the light. So that's like a really cool. So yeah.
The lightning.
But that's what the rods would look like
During the Civil War, it was a third of the way done.
and the grounds around here were cattle.
490 feet, we just went down 10 feet. It's 500 feet. Largest freestanding stone granite building in the world. Civil War era graffiti.
Top, and like there's all these like helicopter guns. Is that fair to your memory in the movie?
I thought like the elevator.
I said, well,
Washington Monument. You can see how high it went until they ran out of money during the Civil War. Wow, that is cool.
There's a lot of things that we get. Because I think pictures you're allowed to indulge in.
Oh, okay.
Right. Oh, here, have a little dragon cartoon. There you
Yeah.
go. That's what you get.
Okay.
Again, everything is rational.
Wait, are we allowed to get?
Yeah, go ahead, touch it. Yeah, you can climb it if you want. Look down. America. America. Everyone say it. Everyone say America on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. America. That's nice. That's my Livy.
Where are we going now?
Not Ford's Theater. That is Olivia's Theater. Oh. Olivia's Theater, not Ford's Theater. It's America. America. This has been a fun trip, hasn't it? How would you rate it on 1 to 10?
So,
Are you hooking this up?
10's awesome, 1's you're not coming back here again. What is it? Well, this isn't a hard question. 10 is you want to come back, 1 is you don't want to come back. The top 6, you got Ulysses Grant, George Washington, Sorry I'm in Your Way, Abe Lincoln, Ben Franklin, Alexander Hamilton, Andrew Jackson, and Thomas Jefferson.